welcome to CNC. Today is our open house, so follow along to see how it's like to be an international student here in Prince George. Let's go. I usually start my day with tea or coffee from the cafeteria. So this is our gathering place. This is a great place to hang out with your friends, have fun and also decompress between classes, and a bunch of events are hosted all around here. I have a question for you. How has CNC helped you in your career?
Well, I started my post-secondary here at CNC, which has led me through my career all the way through to being the president of CNC here now.
Come with me to the Trades building. CNC has 3, Canfor, Finning Tech and the Brink building. Well, that's a wrap, and I hope you did as much fun as we had during the open house. Now it's time for me to hand the reins back to CNC. So maybe see you in class or in the hallways. See ya!